Hello friends, welcome to Share Knowledge. Today I will show you how to set a password restriction, means impermissible password in SAP system. Okay, for this SAP already give one table USR40. In this table, if you add any string or something number or whatever you want to like that, then it will not any user can set same string or something like that. Okay, so let's check. For initial, first you have to open table maintenance view in SM30. In SM30, this is the table USR40. Okay, and then here you have to click on maintain. In maintain you have to click on new entry, then we will add string. Okay, in string initially we will set this one. Okay, then another will scenario will add this one, and last one this one. Okay, what is the meaning of these three? The first one, if you set any password which contain a string like that, but the first one it's required to password begin. If any user start password from this keyword, then it will not able to set. Okay, the second one, in password middle string, means first star and last star. In middle string password will not set. And the third one, initially start password with this, but last character if he change only one character, if he in last character he added more, then it will be set password. Okay, now we'll check, but initially before checking just we have to save. Okay, now we open for testing in user. Now we'll give same password. Okay, it will give a message, password is in exception table, means you cannot set this password due to the restriction. Okay, so first clear, second one we will set. For second one we will give some more character too also. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, same message, means whatever first and start, but it's contain mixed string, then it will not accept. Okay, then last one, if we give same link, we remove P. Okay, it will not take. Okay, so I think you clear now how to set or impermissible password in SAP system. So you can allow in this system you have two wide special characters, star and @ mark. You can both use in the for restriction. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.